Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share with you how to make homemade mayonnaise. Making homemade mayonnaise is easy and it tastes better. You can save money and you can choose to include only healthy ingredients in your mayo. You can use blender, hand mixer, or food processor for this procedure. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 egg yolk. If you want to pasteurize the egg, click on my description box for the procedure. Half teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon sugar. This is optional, especially for those in keto diet. 1 and 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use lemon juice or calamansi juice. 1 cup salad oil or cooking oil as your preference. Now, combine all ingredients except the salad oil. Beat thoroughly. Add salad oil 1 teaspoon at a time, beating well after each addition. After all the salad oil has been added, beat 1 more minute or until mayonnaise is thick enough to hold its shape when spooned out. This recipe makes about 1 1/4 cup mayonnaise. You can use it right away or store in refrigerator and it is good up to 2 weeks. But I'm sure I can finish this in 2 to 3 days. And if you want to preserve your homemade mayonnaise to keep for 2 months, procedure is on my description box. For more food trivia and easy homemade recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's it for today and thank you very much for watching.